Hi, there is actually a tension in the session hall at the Senate of the Philippines. Is just 5 hours ago this evening. You know what? There is actually shots that have been heard from the outside. So there are a lot of Marines and even police, PNP, and of course even the Sergeant at Arms of the Senate is now on the bulletproof. So nagkasigawan doon at biglang pinatay ang ilaw. It's because to prevent such kind of accident that will be like baka may matamaan ng bala. So napaka-ano na nito, it's very dangerous na hindi na natin maintindihan kung ano na ba talaga ang nangyayari. Even nagsisigawan, magsusuntukan na sila. This is not really a good implication at hindi magandang tingnan ng mga tao ng sambayan ng Pilipino na nagkagulo ang mga leaders natin. Kung bakit kasi hindi na lang tayo mag-surrender o di kaya we have to protect ourselves because we have given a chance naman. Because you know what, if we just able to study the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and of course the provision of every laws, there is always a right of every person to protect or shall I say defend himself. Kasi even sa Miranda rights, you can actually apply that you cannot actually divulge things or shall I say pronounce or shall I say things because you have the right to remain silent and you have the right also to hire a very credible person who will going to defend you. So bakit? Kasi sa ICC naman, hindi ka naman pwedeng ikulong agad eh. Yes, you will be detained, but definitely you are not yet being sentenced or shall I say, you still remain innocent because you are not yet proven guilty. So meron namang process na nangyayari. Democracy is still there. And of course, mga demokrasiya naman, nandito pa naman sa atin. Kasi during the impeachment, ngayon lang ako nakakita na may mai-impeach tapos hindi siya lilitaw for some reason behind because hindi niya kayang i-depensa ang sarili niya or what is the reason behind na talagang ganun. On the time of Estrada, diba, na-impeach din siya on the time of Corona. So definitely, ganun talaga, you have to face and then you have to fight your right at the same time, show all the prevalent evidence, the primacy evidence that you are very in a clean conscience and you are not actually committing a crime. Kasi kung totoong wala kang kasalanan, huwag ka matakot. You have to defend yourself. Lahat na nangyari na impeachment sa mga taong leaders natin on the past, si Corona, si Estrada, and at the same time, meron pang isa I could not remember. And yeah, they don't actually escape from that trials. Kasi it's still a trial. Then fine, go and then protect yourselves. Then if you can defend yourself, defend on the utmost ability that you have. Because a clean conscience and a clean heart will always prevail. Because I do believe that the truth will always set us free. Huwag na tayong magtago kasi hindi magandang implikasyon sa mga tao, sa mga bata, sa lahat ng Pilipino, sa pamilya, sa sambayan ng Pilipino, hindi maganda na magtatago tayo sa batas. Kung wala tayong kasalanan, then prove to the people, to the whole world, that you are a person of dignity, a person of honor. Nakakalungkot lang isipin kasi ang Senado, dapat iyan ang tahanan ng mga taong tinitingala, mga edukado, mga may pinag-aralan, o di kaya casted by the people with their holy vote. Tapos ngayon sila nagsisigawan, magsusuntukan. They don't even have that kind of humility in their heart. Bakit? Wala na ba talagang hiya ang mga tao ngayon? Are we or evils now? We should have to act according to what is on our integrity and profession. Because hindi lang naman kayo ang nagkakarinigan, nagkakitaan dyan. Everybody, every single Filipinos, young and old, children, can watch what you are doing. So please, take a second chance, take another vow to reinstall the dignity, the honor, and integrity of the Senate. Again, this is BBL would like to say, Pro Deo et Patria, I'm doing this to God and my country. I will always love you.